CMG containers. I want to talk about modular offices. This is a modular office. These are panels, insulated polyurethane insulation inside, and it's a galvanized steel. And these are not shipping containers. These are modular units. They are basically all connected to each other, waterproof, obviously. It's an office. What we have inside has air conditioning, flooring. We have a bathroom here. This customer wants to have a contact bathroom. So, beauty of these units, they are modular, which means we can connect 4 or 5 of these and be able to have a larger room, so we can expand it either this way or that way.